Liris Chica, doon ay pailinan namin kung bakit pinili si Bill Mariano. Saad niya, so many people choose a partner based on chemistry. Pero ako hindi. Yes, nararamdaman ko rin yung kilig kay Belle, pero mas higit pa ang nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Hindi yung kilig lang, kundi pagmamahal na hindi kayang ibigay ng iba. I choose someone I can build a future with. Kasi my goal isn't just to fall in love to Bel Mariano. Our goal or my goal is to stay in love with her. Choose someone whose values still make sense when the butterflies are gone. Because marriage is a lifetime decision. Date accordingly.